Hi, I'm Kim from ArtBin, and I want to show you some of our specialty scrapbooking products. This is our magnetic die case. So all your metal dies stick onto these magnetic sheets that are in the box, keeping them neat, organized, protecting your dies. We also have a separate refill pack because this box can hold up to 21 of these sheets. Scrapbookers spend a lot of money on their markers, so it's important to store, protect, and organize your markers. Most marker manufacturers recommend that you store your markers horizontally, so this marker storage bin does just that. It holds up to 120 markers, and when you need to take them with you, snap the lid shut. It's got a great handle, so the box is totally portable and can go on the road. And the marker storage is part of our super satchel system, which this whole desk here is made out of our super satchel cubes and various sized super satchels. Super satchels are great for storing paper, for storing small embellishments, that sort of thing. And since we know so many scrapbookers like to take their work on the go with them to retreats and crops, we've designed a rolling tote that'll carry the super satchels in style.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!